defense number one. Okay, so he's going to throw a right hand cross. I'm going to step out at a 10 o'clock, and I'm going to outer block right slightly past his elbow. Then I'm going to groin kick, grab his shoulder here, pull down, punch, push, and I'm going to cover. Little add-on to this, newer variation is where they'll do the same thing. I'm going to parry block, then outer block, groin kick, grab, punch, push. We're going to do variation number one at a little faster pace. Then variation number two. That's punching defense number one. All right, here we go. Grab punching defense number one. Okay, let's do it again. This time, make sure you step while you block. There you go. Snap kick. Okay, do it again. Start over. Step. Snap kick. Remember to push next time. One more time. Good. All right, here we go. Punch defense number one. Okay, good. After you do that front snap kick, bring it into a cat stance, right there. You switched your feet that time.
Yeah.
So what I'm talking about, recording, what I'm talking about is he goes, throws his punch, switch your feet real quick, this across, goes and throws his punch, my foot comes here, you're bringing it back here. Boom. And my motion's forward.
Okay. I'm really going to have to work on my balance.
Oh yeah, that's why you're here.
You bet. My balance is shot.
Try to load that foot forward. So the snap kick and then foot forward. Step forward with it. Not back. There we go. Alright. Punch in defense number two. Okay, so it's all one hand. We're going to pretend that I have a drink in my hand and I'm out and about. This guy's going to throw his punch. So he throws his punch. We're going to do a cross. I'm going to block. Same block, kick the groin. This time I'm going to pull down here, push, punch, and push. All one hand. I got drink in my hand. He decides to throw his right hand at me. I step in, block, kick, punch, push. Everything is one-handed because I have drink in the hand. Now you can take the drink away. That was just for the technique. Goes his punch, then outer block in my arrow stance, front snap kick, land in my cat as I pull his hand down. Now, punch as it comes up, and then push him. Okay? Let's go. I'm gonna throw one at you. Ready? And then switch stance. I'm gonna punch. You're going to block with this hand. Boom. As you step in. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, this hand's going to be back here. Okay, where's the snap kick next? And pulls me down. Right head up, front.